We are stopping by to take a rest because hi Adi, all sleeping. This one still don't want to sleep yet. I don't know what she doing. Sleep, come on. Sleep. Come on, sleep. No hugging, sleep. Kakak sleep sayang. Sleep sayang. Kakak sleep. Come on. Later we just go, okay? Now is 11:43 p.m. I think we will arrive